Welcome back to Never Too Late to Rise, the podcast for leaders, builders, and professionals who refuse to stay where they are. I'm your host, Khalid, and today we are tackling a question that every project manager, every team leader, and every executive is quietly asking right now. Can AI tools actually replace the way we manage projects? And the answer might surprise you. The tool doesn't replace the human. The human who masters the tool replaces the one who doesn't. Today, we are going through 24 AI tools across 6 categories that every project management professional needs to know. Let's get into it. We are going through 24 AI tools across 6 categories that every project management professional needs to know. And I have the perfect guest to explore this with me today. Sarah is a productivity strategist and AI implementation expert who has worked with teams across multiple industries to transform how they work. Sarah, welcome to the show.
Khalid, thank you so much for having me. I love this question because it is both scary and exciting at the same time.
Scary and exciting. That is exactly how most of our listeners feel about AI right now. So let's start there. Should project managers be worried about AI?
No longer answer. They should be worried about project managers who use AI replacing those who don't. The tool doesn't replace the human. The human who masters the tool replaces the one who doesn't.
About AI? I love that framing. Before we dive into the tools, give me the big picture. Why these 6 categories, and why does this framework matter?
Because project management isn't one thing. It's scheduling, it's communication, it's tracking, it's documentation, it's knowledge management, it's time. And for too long, we have tried to handle all of those with 1 or 2 tools that do everything poorly instead of specific tools that do one thing brilliantly. These 6 categories cover the entire life cycle of how work gets done.
Let's start at the very beginning. Category 1, calendar and scheduling automation. Sarah, in a project management context, why is this where everything starts and often where everything falls apart?
Because every project lives and dies by its timeline. And most project timelines fall apart, not because the plan was wrong, but because nobody's calendar reflects the plan. Meetings eat into execution time, deadlines compete with each other, priorities shift, but the calendar doesn't update.
So what is the fix?
The fix starts with motion. Motion doesn't just display your schedule, it actively manages it. You give it your tasks, your priorities, your deadlines, and it automatically schedules everything into your day. If a new meeting drops in, Motion reshuffles your tasks automatically in real time.
So it is like having a personal assistant who manages your calendar for you.
Exactly, but one that never takes a day off and never forgets. Then there is Reclaim.ai, which I think of as the calendar's bodyguard. Its entire job is protecting your focus time. It blocks deep work sessions, it defends your breaks, it pushes back on meeting overload.
What about for teams? Because that is where I think most leaders struggle most. Their personal calendar might be manageable, but coordinating across a team is a nightmare.
That is exactly where Clockwise comes in. Clockwise looks across the entire team's calendar and optimizes everything together. It moves meetings to create longer blocks of focus time. It reduces the fragmentation that kills productivity. And then Trevor, AI, which is beautifully simple. It connects your task list directly to your calendar. Everything in one view, synced in real time.
So these 4 tools together create an intelligent scheduling layer for the entire project.
Perfectly said. Your calendar becomes a living reflection of your project priorities, not just a list of meetings.
Category 2, AI notes and meeting summaries. Sarah, project meetings are famous for being long, frequent, and often producing very little documented output.
That is the most diplomatic way I have ever heard that described.
I try. So what do we do about it?
We stop relying on humans to manually capture what was said and decided. Because when a PM is taking notes, they are not managing the meeting. Fathom AI joins your Zoom calls automatically. It records, it transcribes, and it generates highlights, decisions, action items, key moments. After the call, within minutes, you have a structured summary ready to share with the team.
No more, can someone send the meeting notes? Emails that never come.
Gone, completely gone. Otter.ai adds speaker labels, critical for project meetings where multiple stakeholders are speaking. You can see exactly who committed to what action item. No ambiguity. No, I thought you were doing that.
That accountability piece is huge for project management.
Massive. Fireflies.ai takes accountability even further. Every project meeting becomes searchable. 6 months from now, when someone says, "But we decided in March that," you search it. You find the exact moment. You have the evidence.
That is the end of, "I don't remember agreeing to that," in project meetings.
Exactly right. And Supernormal closes this category. Specifically designed for Zoom and Google Meet. Auto creates structured notes. No manual input required. The PM shows up, leads the meeting. Supernormal handles the rest.
The theme here is clear. Free the PM to actually manage, not to administrate.
That is the entire philosophy. Yes.
Category 3, task and project management. This feels like the most crowded space in productivity tools. Everyone has a favorite. Sarah, how do you cut through the noise?
Great question. And you are right, this space is crowded. But the answer is simpler than people make it. The best tool is the one your team will actually use. Jira, if you are running a technical or engineering team, this is your tool. Agile boards, sprints, backlog management, powerful automation. The industry standard for a reason. ClickUp AI if you want the most feature-rich option with AI built in. Smart task suggestions, AI-generated documents, project summaries.
What about Asana? That is one I have used personally.
Asana is exceptional for connecting daily work to strategic goals. It is where tasks become timelines, become outcomes. The AI layer surfaces risks, what is on track, what needs attention. For leadership teams that need visibility across multiple work streams, Asana is often the best fit.
Monday.com?
Monday is the most visual, the most flexible, and honestly, the easiest to get non-technical teams to actually adopt. Custom workflows, beautiful dashboards, AI-supported automation. If your team resists new tools, start with Monday.
Adoption is always the hardest part of any PM tool implementation.
Always. And Monday solves that problem better than anything else I have seen.
Category 4, time tracking. Sarah, in project management, time tracking is directly tied to budget, scope, and delivery. This is not optional, is it?
Not even slightly. And yet, it is the category most teams resist most strongly. People feel like time tracking is surveillance, but that is the wrong frame entirely. Time tracking in project management is about data. Did this phase take longer than we estimated? Why? What can we learn? It is intelligence, not surveillance.
Is it? That reframe is so important. Walk us through the 4 tools.
Bauer is purpose-built for project management teams. It lives inside your PM tools, Asana, ClickUp, Jira, and tracks time without making you switch apps. Budget tracking, estimates versus actuals, team reports. Clockify is the free option and genuinely excellent. Simple interface, detailed reports, integrates with everything.
Free and powerful. That is a rare combination.
Genuinely rare. Paymo is the all-in-one for consultants and agencies, time tracking, task management, and invoicing in one platform. And Harvest is the most polished option. Beautiful reporting, built-in invoicing, team visibility, integrates with everything seamlessly.
Sarah, key message for project managers on time tracking.
You cannot manage what you do not measure. Time is your most valuable resource, not money, not talent, time. And until you actually know where it is going, you cannot make better decisions about it.
Category 5, communication and presentations. A PM spends a significant portion of their time communicating, up, down, and across the organization.
They make communication faster, cleaner, and more impactful. Loom AI lets you record short video messages, your face, your screen, your tone, your energy. The AI adds summaries and chapters. Instead of a long email, you send a 2-minute Loom. Instead of scheduling a meeting to explain a decision, you send a Loom. Async communication done right.
That human connection through async video, especially for remote teams, is something emails can never replicate.
Never. Gamma is where I see PMs save the most time on deliverables. You describe what you want, Gamma builds the entire slide deck. Beautiful, fast, professional. A presentation that used to take 3 hours now takes 30 minutes.
As someone who has spent many painful hours in PowerPoint, I feel that deeply.
We all have those battle scars. Canva Docs plus Magic Write. Magic Write generates the draft. Canva makes it beautiful. No more staring at a blank page. And Grammarly Business analyzes tone, clarity, and confidence. For leaders, your writing is your reputation. Grammarly makes sure it represents you well.
And in high-stakes projects, one poorly worded email to the wrong stakeholder can cause real damage.
Grammarly is insurance against that risk.
Our final category, knowledge and documentation. Sarah, why do most organizations fail at this?
Because they treat it as something that happens at the end of a project. A lessons learned session after the project closes. A document that gets filed and never read again. The organizations that do this well treat knowledge capture as an ongoing process, not a one-time event.
Walk us through the 4 tools.
Guru, AI-powered internal wiki. Every process, every template, every answer to every frequently asked question lives in Guru. A new team member joins your project? They ask Guru. No more knowledge locked in one person's head. No more knowledge walking out the door when a key person leaves mid-project. Humata, upload a dense PDF, ask questions in plain language, get answers in seconds. No more reading 300-page documents to find one clause.
For infrastructure or large-scale projects, that use case is enormous.
Enormous doesn't even begin to cover it. Notion AI is where ongoing project knowledge lives. Meeting notes become structured documents. Rough ideas become organized wikis. Project decisions get captured in context, not buried in someone's email. It is the living memory of your project. And Slack AI, for teams where Slack is the communication backbone, it summarizes threads, surfaces decisions, finds information across months of messages. No more scrolling through 500 messages to find what was decided about the vendor contract.
Sarah, we have been through all 24 tools. In the context of project management specifically, what is your single most important message?
AI does not manage your project. You manage your project. But AI removes the friction between your intentions and your execution. It handles the scheduling, the note-taking, the documentation, the searching, the formatting, so that you can focus on the leadership, the relationships, the decisions, and the strategy that only a human can provide. The PM who masters these tools does not become less valuable. They become significantly more valuable because they can take on more, deliver faster, and operate at a higher level than was ever possible before.
That is the message every project manager needs to hear right now. Sarah, this has been an extraordinary conversation. Where can our listeners find you and follow your work?
Pick the category that causes you the most pain right now. Scheduling chaos? Try Motion or Reclaim. Meeting follow-through problems? Try Fathom or Otter. Knowledge walking out the door? Try Guru or Notion AI. Pick one. Give it 30 days. Then tell me what changed.
If this episode gave you value, share it with one leader in your network who needs to hear it. The full list of all 24 tools with links is in the show notes. Download it, share it with your team. I'm Khalid, and remember, it is never too late to rise. See you next episode.